Hey everyone. So you've probably heard about Pepe Coin, right? That meme-inspired cryptocurrency that's been buzzing everywhere, from Reddit threads to major news outlets. But here's the real question. Is Pepe Coin a golden ticket or a ticking time bomb? If you've ever wondered what the future holds for Pepe Coin and how it fits into your journey to financial freedom, stick with me for the next few minutes because I'm breaking it all down. Simply, clearly, and with zero fluff. And trust me, this isn't just for crypto pros. Even if you're just starting out or have a small budget, you'll get actionable tips to make wise moves. Plus, I'm throwing in some surprises along the way to keep you hooked. Like, did you know a meme coin could actually outperform Bitcoin? Yeah, I'll explain that soon. But first, quick question. Have you ever invested in something because everyone else was doing it? Drop a yes in the comments if that's you. What is Pepe Coin in simple terms? Alright, let's start with the basics. Pepe Coin is a cryptocurrency inspired by the famous Pepe the Frog meme. It's part of a wave of meme coins that started more as jokes but have gained serious popularity. Why? Because in today's digital age, communities around these coins can drive huge price movements, sometimes overnight. Think of Pepe Coin as the wild card in crypto, highly volatile, but with massive potential rewards. Now, why should you care? Because meme coins like Pepe are shaping the future of decentralized finance and could be a way for everyday people to get in early on a big wave without needing millions of dollars or fancy Wall Street connections. Why Pepe Coin matters and why it's not just a joke. Look, meme coins have had their moments. Dogecoin started as a joke and skyrocketed, right? Pepe Coin could be the next big thing. But here's the catch. Meme coins are risky. You could see crazy gains or wipe out your investment. That's why understanding Pepe Coin's prediction isn't just about hype. It's about making smart choices in a fast-moving market. And especially for beginners, that means knowing when to jump in and when to step back. For example, imagine you have $100 to invest. Do you put it all into Pepe Coin because it's hot right now? Or do you spread it out, maybe a bit in Pepe, some in safer assets? I'll share how to do that in a minute, but first, ever feel overwhelmed by all the crypto jargon? Yeah, me too. But you don't need a finance degree to win here. How Pepe Coin is trending right now. Latest news. Here's what's happening as of June 2025. Pepe Coin has been featured on major news platforms like CNBC, Bloomberg, and even the New York Times for its sudden spikes and community-driven momentum. The key driver? A combination of celebrity endorsements, viral social media campaigns, and partnerships in the NFT space. But, and this is huge, regulators in the US are starting to crack down on meme coins to protect investors from scams. This means timing is everything. Miss the boat, or worse, get caught in a pump and dump scheme, and it could cost you big. So here's a question to reset your brain. If Pepe Coin's hype is like a roller coaster, are you strapped in for the ride or holding on to the sidelines? Actionable tips for beginners, even with a small budget. Alright, time for the part you came here for, how you can approach Pepe Coin without risking it all. Here's the deal. 1. Start small. Seriously, only invest what you can afford to lose. Even $20 can teach you valuable lessons without breaking your bank. 2. Do your research. Follow official Pepe Coin channels and trusted news sites, but don't get lost in hype forums. Real info beats rumors every time. 3. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in the Pepe basket. Mix it with stablecoins or blue-chip cryptos like Bitcoin or Ethereum. 4. Set goals and limits. Decide in advance your target profit or stop loss. This keeps emotions out and protects you from panic selling or greed. 5. Use dollar cost averaging. Instead of one big buy, spread your purchases over weeks. This smooths out price swings and lowers risk. Imagine you're new to crypto and you only have $100. Using these tips, you might buy $30 worth of Pepe, $50 in Bitcoin, and hold $20 in stablecoins for safety. This way, you're part of the Pepe story, but also protected. You're not alone. Look, I get it. Crypto can feel like a maze. Confusing, fast, and sometimes downright scary. Maybe you've seen friends lose money or felt afraid to start because you don't want to make a dumb mistake. Trust me, every investor has been there. The key is to start small, stay informed, and keep learning. And hey, if you mess up, it's not the end of the world. Even the biggest investors started with tiny steps. You're building your financial future here, and that takes courage. What experts say? Now, here's the juicy part. What are experts saying about Pepe Coin's future? Some analysts predict Pepe could surge another 200–300% if the current social momentum keeps up. Others warn that if regulatory pressure increases, Pepe could crash hard. So, which is it going to be? Well, I'll break down the key factors you need to watch to know when to get in or out. Key factors to watch for Pepe Coin's future. Alright, here are the 3 biggest things to track. 1. Regulatory news. Keep an eye on SEC announcements about meme coins. If regulations tighten, prices could drop fast. 2. Community activity. Pepe's strength is in its community. Check Twitter trends, Reddit, and 3. Discord. Is interest growing or fading? Partnership announcements. Pepe teaming up with NFT projects or crypto platforms could drive prices higher. Think of these as your early warning system. When you see signs flashing, you're ready to act fast. So to wrap up, Pepe Coin is a wild but exciting opportunity for anyone ready to dive into crypto smartly. Remember, start small, stay informed, diversify, and watch those key signals. And above all, don't let fear or hype drive your decisions. Let knowledge and strategy lead the way. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your take on Pepe Coin? Are you thinking about investing? Or maybe you've already jumped in? Drop your goals, fears, or questions in the comments below. Let's build a community where we learn and grow together, because your financial freedom starts with the moves you make today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and share this video with anyone who's curious about crypto but feels overwhelmed. Let's make smart money moves together.